G'day guys, we bought a Dyson. This video I'm going to show you an unboxing video as well as using it on different surfaces, just in case you're not sure if you want one or not, and we got it at a bargain price. But first, let's unbox it. So it's super lightweight. I carried this from the shopping centre to my car, which is probably a couple of 100 metres, no problems. Very well packed and easy to unbox. So I got this at a bargain price. I've been looking around for a little while now and I've seen them up to $599. Big W had a sale on of saving $180, so I only paid $349, which I was so happy with because I really didn't want to pay $599. I pressed the start button here and it started straight away, and then I attached it all together. Then following the instructions, I let it charge for 3.5 hours. So where it's got that blue button means it's charging. When it doesn't have any light, it means it's fully charged. I couldn't wait to give it a try. I was amazed how much dirt and dust it picked up. I'd vacuumed not long ago at all, and the canister was full in no time, and it really went deep. It really gave the carpet a nice deep clean. If you saw my holiday speed cleaning video, then you'll know I struggled to do the stairs by lifting the vacuum. With a cordless, it was just a breeze. This Dyson did it, no worries. Hence the big smile. Dave found it easy to install. We put it in our pantry so it's really close by to the kitchen, which gets quite messy. We don't have a stud finder, so we went adjacent to where the previous owners had their Dyson attached, but I don't think it was actually on a stud, so Dave ended up putting a screw in that expands, and we haven't had any problems with it falling down yet. We've had it in there for a few weeks now. We used Gorilla Tape to attach it to the shelving in the pantry so that there were no cords hanging down. They give you 3 extra attachments. One's a dust cleaner, one's just to clean in deep, and the other one is a small motorised head, which is perfect for cleaning the car, which is what I used it for. During Vlogmas, I actually did a car cleaning video and I had to use my old vacuum cleaner that wasn't cordless, and it was quite tricky. So this made it such a breeze to clean the car, to clean in deep in the seats, as well as just brushing over the dashboard with the dust and vacuuming at the same time. So it really made cleaning the car easy. The dust attachment is awesome, especially for doing the skirting boards, because it sucks up the dust as you go and you're brushing it off rather than wiping it off with a cloth and then going and vacuuming afterwards. I just found as it was brushing off the dust, it was sucking it up as well, which was brilliant. The Dyson works so well on different surfaces, so it was a breeze on the carpet as well as using it on a rug. And then I used it in the laundry on the tiles as well as the wooden floorboards, and it didn't matter what surface it was. I didn't have to change any settings. I just moved to a different surface, which was just fantastic. It just makes it so easy to use, it's so lightweight, and it also is quiet, which is great because Sophie was a bit scared of the other vacuum and she used to want to be picked up, whereas here Dave's vacuuming away and she's sitting playing with her bib. Both Dave and I use it. Dave says it sounds a little bit like a drill, and I would say vacuuming is actually fun, which is something I thought I'd never say. I also thought I'd never say that I vacuum every day now. I really wanted a cordless vacuum that I could pick up like you would a cloth to wipe down the table, not get cords out, not drag it around, just a quick lift it off, take it, vacuum, and you're done. So I'm so happy with this Dyson. So guys, what do you think? Are you tempted to go out and buy one? Let me know in the comments below if you've already got one or what your vacuum is that you absolutely love. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!